We are back, and you are watching the Diana and Ed show when Ed is feeling special, like you said. But anyways, here is now your chance to win the 2008 Carnival clips, all the clips, everything about the 2008 Carnival in Haiti. And all you have to do is call this number, 921-0040. Bang fel en Creole, okay? Sou ta reme gen yon DVD sa wè la, bel ti DVD sa, tout Carnaval 2008 en Haiti yo. Tout sa gen pou fè, se rele numéro sa, 921-0040.
Oh, they're wasting no time.
But good job.
Hi, you are on.
Hi, Ed. Hi, Diana.
Somebody trying to win that DVD.
And she's wasting no time?
Hello, are you there?
Well, I'm calling for two reasons. One for the DVD, and the other one, I'd like to give my opinion on the previous discussion.
Okay, let's get your opinion first, because we'll just let the people still kind of sweat on the DVD. Let's get your opinion first. What are you thinking?
Oh, yes, I was thinking, well, it's regarding the discussion on the Haitian in the
Dominican Republic, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I think it's a very serious problem.
Yes.
It's not at all. People don't have an identity and they're not citizens. So I wanted to ask the doctor too, whose responsibility are the Dominicans' responsibility or the Haitians?
That's a very good question, actually. That's a very good question.
And I think the doctor alluded to it, to the fact that it could be the Haitian leaders' responsibility, that they should be more involved with what's going on with the people who are in the Dominican Republic. That's one of the things he did say.
Yeah, absolutely. Caller, can you tell us your name and where you're watching us from?
I'm watching from West Palm, and my name is Micheline.
Say it one more time for me.
Well, I'm in West Palm,
Okay.
West Palm Beach area, and my name is Micheline.
Micheline in West Palm. Okay. Well, thank you for calling. But you made a very good point here. The question that she asked is, who's responsible for the mistreatment of Haitian and Dominican Republic?
Very good question.
Is it the Dominican Republic government, or is it our own government who's not stepping up to the plate? I would say, Micheline, that it is... First, I like to blame us first,
That's
meaning
right.
you have something you can do.
Of
I would
course.
say that the government in Haiti, first and foremost, have a responsibility to create jobs, make life a bit easier for the people, and not signing a contract that will give over most of your people at free, cheap labor.
I agree with that wholeheartedly.
That's what I would say. What do you think, Micheline?
Okay, do we take them back? I mean, if we can't really take them back because we don't have the structure.
Well, you're right. We cannot take them back, but there's something that we need to do from before they even get to go over there.
Or just meet them where they are, just to have a general concern for your people.
Yes.
Not that you can take them back, because we can take them back to our country and
Yes.
still not be able to offer them anything better than what they're experiencing now. But we still want to be able to help and to provide a service. Because what I'm hearing and what I understand is that the ratio of male to female in these sugar plantations is like there's 4 men to 1 woman. And so AIDS is rampant there.
And not only
with health issues,
Yes.
not only is it health, but running water, not being able to eat, not having an identity. There's something that we can do. If we're in America and we can do things as Haitian Americans here, I'm sure that our leaders should be taking a responsibility to help those people where they're at.
No, absolutely, because one thing Diana talked about is the male and female thing, and I'm going to take a different perspective on that.
Mm-hmm.
You talk about the kids that are being created there with no identity.
That's right.
And they grow up to not know anything about who they are, where they came from, and they develop this unique identity, basically. And they're basically slave in the making, and they're going to become just what their parents are. And that's what
you
it
know
is.
what? That's the key word. It's sort of like a modern day slavery, and that's what's happening.
I
And
don't think
hope,
we can say it better. What you
Micheline,
just
I
said is
hope that you'll go out and do more research and bring it back to us, because we need to really bring some
Yes.
more exposure to this issue.
Absolutely. Micheline, we thank you for the question, and you have to keep watching because we will talk about this more, but I want to give you a chance to win that DVD. Are you ready?
Sure. I'm ready.
Uh-oh, she is ready. Diana, you ask the question.
All right, Micheline, the first question I believe we're going to ask you is, do you know the title of my book?
Yes,
How do you know? What is it?
because I bought it.
Awesome. Okay.
So what's the title for everybody who's watching? Micheline?
Lady Love of God in your 20s.
That is right. Yeah.
You were the perfect caller.
You were the perfect caller. And Micheline, you win the 2008 DVD of Carnival in Haiti. And it is yours. All you have to do is come by Lynn's Beauty Supply, who's in Delray, and it's one of our sponsors too, people helping us make this show happen. And you can come by and pick it up, and it is yours free of charge. Sorry, other callers, that Micheline was the first, and
she was
got
perfect.
the DVD.
That was for you, Micheline.
Micheline, thank you very much. We're gonna have to let you go, but we want you to keep watching and keep calling. But you definitely win the DVD. We'll get more information on you. We don't want to get it on the air, but we'll definitely get it. What we're gonna ask is for you to call us back after the show, and we can get information and send you the DVD. All right, Micheline?
All right.
Thanks, Micheline. You're awesome.
All right.
Thanks for your support.
Here you go, people. We got 1 minute before we end this show, but in that 1 minute, 2 minutes, right? Producer, 2 minutes. That 2 minutes, if you guys call in, we'll give another one away because that was kind of quick. Micheline, good job.
She's great.
But anyways, Diana, to sum it all up before we go.
Well,
I got somebody
someone
wants
is calling.
the DVD.
They want that DVD.
All right, real quick.
Uh-oh.
We lost
them.
him. Call back.
Call back.
All right, Diana, sum it all. We talked about the election. Go out and get counted. That's how you can make a difference in Haiti, right here in the community you live in Dominican Republic, and get these people. And don't start just nationally. Let's not just talk about the Obamas and whatever, but there are things that people that you can vote for right here in this county. And also, don't forget about the Canada thing. The pastor made a good point. A lot of Haitians, un bon Haïtien, bon dis encore, un bon Haïtien qui a un problème papier ici, il a déporté parce que jusqu'à présent nous pas contre ça y a fait. Monsieur dit que opportunité a vraiment bon au Canada, so sou ka chaper pour lui, chaper pour lui. You know, chaper pour là sound funny, but you know, li bon, sou ka chaper pour lui, chaper pour lui. Pas quitter au point pour Haïti, et pas vous dire nous pas vle ranger Haïti non, but pour kounya, m'pa conseiller ou aller. Li pi bon pour aller Canada, ou ka ranger ko ka tourner ici. So, opportunité à là pour ou, si ou même ou gen problème papier, ou pensez ou ka vle aller, plutôt al Canada. Parce que m'ka aller au Canada, no problem. Alright? Ou ka still got in Canada, but to Haiti, ou ka ba gen high
There's
speed
a possibility.
internet. Ou ka got it Diana and Ed. You won't be able to watch Diana and Ed in Haiti. So,
Here's a caller.
Right. The DVD is what we're giving away, and then we're gonna go.
What's up, caller?
Caller, how you feel?
Hello, bonsoir.
Bonsoir, comment est là?
Non, pas.
You ready to win a free DVD?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's the question. Diana, you want to ask the question?
Well, we want to know if you have been watching today's show. This will be a really easy one for you, hopefully. What's the name of the young lady, the young Haitian American who was on the American Idol show, who's just gotten voted off, and how old is she?
Bonjour.
Bonjour, la qui ça?
Joanne Bonjour.
Joanne Bonjour. And, okay, DVD, but ndame qui l'âge li? All right, people, we're going to put an end to our show. Thank you for watching. I'm Ed Shakespeare. And hold on the line. We'll get your information. Hold on, okay? You win a free DVD. Pick it up at Lynn's Beauty Supply in Delray Beach. I think the number is 255-777 something. No, I'm wrong. But anyways, call us here and we'll give you the address, all right? Pass by and get the DVD. Hold on the line for us. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, guys. I'm Diana Bienemy.
And I'm Ed Shakespeare. We'll see you next Saturday,
Same
right
time.
here at 8:30. But you can catch the rerun of that show if you miss anything this Monday at 8:30. We'll see you next week.
See
we
you.
love you. Stay blocked.